Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about how you can save money using cashback and rewards apps. Nowadays, almost everyone shops online or offline regularly. And if you pay a little attention, these apps can help you save a significant amount of money. So, let's get started. 1. What are cashback and rewards apps? Cashback and rewards apps are mobile apps or websites that give you money back or points when you shop. You can later use these points for discounts, gift cards, or even cash. For example, when you shop from certain stores online or in physical stores, these apps give you a percentage of your purchase back as cashback. Some apps give you points that you can redeem for discounts or gifts. 2. How do cashback apps work? These apps partner with retail stores or brands. When you make a purchase through these apps, the brand pays the app a commission, and the app shares a part of that commission with you as cashback. For example, if you shop on Amazon, Daraz, or Noon using a cashback app, you may get a percentage of your purchase amount back. 3. Best cashback and rewards apps. There are many good apps available globally and regionally. Some popular ones are Kashkaro, mainly India and Pakistan; Rakuten International, Swagbucks, Honey, Shopback. Choose apps based on your country and preferences. 4. How to start using cashback and rewards apps. Step 1. Download and install your preferred cashback app. Step 2. Register with your email or phone number. Step 3. Browse or search for your favorite stores or brands inside the app. Step 4. Click on the store link through the app to start shopping. Step 5. Complete your purchase, and after a few days, check your cashback balance inside the app. 5. More ways to save money using these apps. Coupons and promo codes. Many apps offer coupons and promo codes that give you extra discounts. Daily check-ins and surveys. Earn extra points or rewards by checking in daily or completing simple surveys. Referral programs. Invite friends to join these apps and earn extra cashback or points when they shop. 6. Things to keep in mind. Always use authentic and well-known apps to avoid scams. Protect your personal information carefully. Read the app's terms and conditions to understand the rules and any restrictions. Check user reviews to ensure cashback is actually credited. Conclusion? So friends, cashback and rewards apps are a fantastic way to reduce your daily expenses. Spend a little time exploring and using these apps and see how much money you can save. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, comment below which cashback app you use or if you want to learn more tips. Thanks for watching.